So we're here with Gael Nua, so there is a bunch of people from all over the globe here today. We did a round circle and I can barely count that high the amount of countries that came out. So it's fantastic, playing hurling, football, camogie, and just everyone's coming together. It's gas. I'm hearing the stories one-on-one, and people are from all over the world. First from Japan, just landed over here, football in the hand. Some people used to play back in Canada when they were kids, so it's great to hear all the stories.
I'll tell the truth. My husband dragged me into this sport. I used to play volleyball, and he used to play GAA for some time, and he always told me it was a great opportunity, and I never believed him. But now I'm completely convinced that I've never felt close to the Irish society and to my Irish life as now. And I've made great friendships, and I'm loving this sport.
I've been lucky enough to to touch base with GAA clubs all around the world, and I've seen them in Kenya and Cayman Islands and everywhere in between. So we know how important the GAA is. We know how it can bring people together, not just Irish communities abroad, it's Irish but Indigenous communities as well. So it's just fantastic to see this, and people are so passionate about it, and that's what we need. We need to highlight these welcoming projects, and no better version than Gael Nua here today.